Why did my smartwatch go to school? Because it wanted to get smarter about tracking my fitness. Alright, let's dive into the fascinating world of smartwatches. These wrist-bound geniuses are not just about telling time anymore, they've evolved into our personal health and fitness companions. With features that help monitor everything from heart rate to sleep patterns, they're revolutionizing the way we approach health and fitness. But how exactly do they do this? Stay tuned to find out how a smartwatch can be your personal fitness coach. You might think a smartwatch is just a fancy gadget, but it's more than that when it comes to tracking our health and fitness. In the era of smart devices, smartwatches have become a fitness enthusiast's best friend. With a plethora of features designed for health and fitness tracking, these compact devices offer a wide range of benefits. Let's talk about heart rate monitoring first. This feature is a game changer for anyone keen on maintaining their cardiovascular health. With continuous heart rate monitoring, smartwatches provide real-time data, helping users understand their heart's behavior during different activities. Whether you're sprinting, lifting weights, or resting, your smartwatch is there, keeping track of your heart's performance. Then, we have the step counter. This feature encourages us to stay active throughout the day. It's common knowledge that we should aim for at least 10,000 steps a day, but how many of us actually achieve this? With a smartwatch, you have a constant reminder on your wrist, nudging you to take those extra steps. Now let's talk about sleep tracking. Good quality sleep is as important as diet and exercise in maintaining health. Smartwatches monitor sleep patterns, including the duration and quality of your sleep. This information can help you adjust your bedtime habits and improve your overall sleep health. Finally, we have calorie tracking. This feature can be a valuable tool for those looking to lose, maintain, or gain weight. By tracking the calories burned during workouts and daily activities, smartwatches help users stay in line with their nutritional goals. So as you can see, smartwatches aren't just about telling time or reading text messages. They are powerful tools that can help us stay on top of our fitness game. But remember, while they provide valuable data, it's what we do with this data that truly matters. Smartwatches can give us a lot of data, but what do we do with it? Your smartwatch is constantly gathering data, but that data is only as good as what you do with it. Let's dive into how to interpret and make use of this information to boost your fitness journey. When you glance at your smartwatch screen, you see a myriad of numbers. These are more than just digits, they're a reflection of your body's performance. Heart rate, steps, calories burned, sleep patterns, these are quantifiable measures of your health and fitness. So how to interpret this data? Well, it's not rocket science, but it does require some understanding. For instance, your heart rate is a key indicator of your cardiovascular fitness. A lower resting heart rate usually suggests a more efficient heart function and better cardiovascular fitness. High-intensity workouts can cause your heart rate to spike, but with regular training, you'll notice this number decreasing over time, indicating improved fitness. Step counts and calories burned are another set of data that your smartwatch provides. These figures help you understand your daily activity levels and energy expenditure. Are you moving enough? Are you burning enough calories for weight loss or maintenance? These numbers provide the answers. Sleep data is another essential aspect. Your smartwatch can track the quality and quantity of your sleep, giving you insights into your recovery and rest periods. Remember, good sleep is as crucial to your fitness journey as diet and exercise. Now, knowing how to interpret this data is one thing. Using it effectively is another. This data can help you set realistic fitness goals. If your current step count is 5,000, aim for 7,000. If your sleep is inconsistent, work on establishing a regular sleep schedule. Tracking your progress is also essential. Your smartwatch data serves as a digital logbook, documenting your fitness journey. It allows you to see how far you've come, keep track of your achievements, and identify areas for improvement. In essence, smartwatch data provides a holistic view of your health and fitness. It's not just about the numbers, it's about understanding what they mean and using them to guide your fitness journey. But hey, before we get more into the topic, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below. Now that we know how to use the data, let's talk about the health benefits of using a smartwatch. First off, smartwatches act as a personal fitness trainer that never leaves your side. They encourage physical activity by setting daily goals for steps, calories burned, and distance covered. You've probably heard the saying, "What gets measured, gets managed." Well, it's true. When you can see your progress in real time, you're more likely to get up and get moving. But it's not just about steps and calories. Smartwatches also track your sleep patterns. You might be thinking, why do I need to track my sleep? Well, quality sleep is just as important as regular exercise. It's when your body recovers, repairs, and rejuvenates. With a smartwatch, you can get insights into your sleep cycles and duration, helping you make necessary adjustments for a better night's rest. Let's not forget about heart health. Many smartwatches come with a heart rate monitor that keeps tabs on your heartbeat throughout the day. This can help you understand if you're pushing yourself too hard during workouts, or if there are any unusual spikes that might need medical attention. It's like having a mini cardiologist strapped to your wrist. And last but not least, smartwatches play a crucial role in stress management. They often come with built-in breathing exercises and reminders to take a moment to relax. Some even measure your stress levels, providing a holistic view of your well-being. So, there you have it. Smartwatches aren't just fancy gadgets, they're health-promoting tools. They motivate us to be more active, they help us sleep better, they monitor our heart health, and they aid in managing stress. It's like having a wellness coach, a sleep specialist, a cardiologist, and a Zen master all in one device. But that's not all. Smartwatches have some more tricks up their sleeves. Smartwatches aren't just about counting steps or tracking sleep, they have some advanced features that can take your fitness tracking to the next level. Let's dive into some of these advanced features. First up, we have GPS tracking. This is a game changer for outdoor enthusiasts. Whether you're a runner, cyclist, or hiker, GPS tracking allows you to map your routes, measure your distance, and even track your speed in real time. No more guessing how far you've gone or how fast you're moving, your smartwatch has got it covered. Next, we have workout suggestions. Some smartwatches come packed with a variety of workout programs tailored to your fitness level and goals. Whether you're looking to do some strength training, a high-intensity interval training, or a calming yoga session, your smartwatch can provide a workout for you. Just pick the one you want and follow along. It's like having a personal trainer on your wrist. Then, there's integration with other fitness apps. Your smartwatch can sync with a variety of third-party fitness apps, allowing you to track your progress across multiple platforms. This means you can keep all your health and fitness data in one place, making it easier to track your progress and reach your goals. Some smartwatches also offer advanced heart rate monitoring, providing insights into your resting heart rate, active heart rate, and even your heart rate zones during workouts. This information can help you understand how your heart is responding to exercise and aid in optimizing your training for better results. And let's not forget about stress and recovery tracking. Some smartwatches can track your stress levels and suggest when it might be time to take a break or do some relaxing activities. They can also monitor your sleep and recovery, providing insights into how well you're resting and whether you're giving your body enough time to recover from workouts. So, as you can see, smartwatches are more than just a fancy timepiece. They're a powerful tool that can give you a wealth of information about your health and fitness, helping you make informed decisions and reach your goals faster. Check the description box below for our recommended smartwatches and fitness products. So, there you have it. Smartwatches can be a powerful tool in tracking and improving your health and fitness. We've delved into how these nifty gadgets are revolutionizing the way we approach our wellness journey. From the role of smartwatches in fitness, we've seen how these devices can motivate us to stay active, monitor our heart rates, track our sleep, and even remind us to stand up and move around after prolonged periods of inactivity. We moved on to interpreting and making use of smartwatch data. By understanding our heart rate patterns, sleep cycles, and activity levels, we can make informed decisions about our health and fitness. This data can provide insight into when we're pushing ourselves too hard or not enough, helping us strike a balance for optimal health. Then we looked at the health benefits of using a smartwatch. We've seen how they can help manage stress, improve sleep quality, and even detect potential health issues early on. We also explored some advanced features of smartwatches like their ability to provide on-the-spot workouts, monitor oxygen levels, and even send emergency alerts when necessary. The power of smartwatches extends beyond just telling time. They can be an indispensable partner in our health and fitness journey, providing valuable data that can help us make healthier choices each day. That's it for today's video. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below. Keep moving, stay healthy, and we'll see you in the next video.